With sweater weather just around the corner, we'll all be looking for extra ways to stay cozy, and what a better way to do that with some beautiful candles. Hi creative friends, this is Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit, and today I'm going to show you how to make dried lavender stem candles. Now some of our longer term subscribers may notice that this video actually used to live on our channel but doesn't anymore. And that's because we tried this doing a different technique and had some concerns about the dried lavender starting a fire when mixed in with the wax. So we actually have decided to remake this project using this slightly different approach that actually keeps the dried lavender out of your wax. So let's get started. For this project, you're going to need 2 glass jars, one a little smaller than the other, some soy wax, dried lavender stems, lavender or floral essential oil, a candle wick, and some twine. We're going to start by securing the wick to the bottom of the jar using these adhesive buttons that come with a lot of candle making wax kits, and I'll be sure to link one of our favorites in the description below. Next, we're going to melt about 2 cups of candle wax, either paraffin wax or soy wax, in a double boiler. You can also use your microwave, but just be sure to check on it frequently and then do this in small increments so that it doesn't burn. Once your wax is almost fully melted, take it off of the heat or microwave and continue mixing until all the solid wax is melted. Then you're going to drop in about 15 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Obviously, since we're making lavender candles, we're going to be using lavender oil. Once they're completely stirred, gently pour the mixture into your small mason jar. Just make sure that your candle wick stays out of the mixture, doesn't fall into the jar. And then wrap the end of the wick around a dowel or something just to keep it straight up as the candle wax sets. Give it about an hour for the candle wax to set on this size of jar. Simply trim off the wick. Now we're going to add our dried lavender embellishment. Carefully place your smaller candle jar into the larger glass jar. And if the sizes are right, you'll find that there will be a really small gap between the walls of the 2 jars. And this is where we're going to be placing those dried lavender stems. So this is obviously completely decorative at the end, but it just really helps to give it that extra special touch, that little bit of coziness. And also because it's completely separated from your wax, as your candle burns down, the lavender stems don't have the risk of setting on fire, and they'll just really cast a nice cozy glow through your lavender stems. So you can see here how it looks from the side as we're gently wiggling those dried lavender stems in. I'm using a small bamboo skewer to help with that. Once you're happy with how many stems are in there, simply wrap a piece of twine twice around the neck, and then you can add on another 3 or 4 little stems of lavender for a bit of decoration. And there you go. You have a beautiful DIY scented candle to enjoy through the fall and winter, or to give as gifts. As with any other candle, be sure to never leave it unattended. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you like this little video, and be sure to subscribe for more nature-inspired DIY, craft, and home decor ideas. See you next week. Bye!